After getting the runaround at other financial services, I came to ES Financial Service and got my tax refund back in 3 days.
ES Financial Services gave me fast and courteous service.
John Hatcher, what's your secret?
Well, we're the pioneers of electronic filing and refund anticipation loans. We give all our clients extra special service. I'd like to tell you more about it, Pete, but I got a lot of people that need their money fast.
ES Financial Services, one number, 5 locations. Call now.